Fabric is a modular modding toolchain targeting Minecraft 1.14 and above. It's extremely lightweight due to its modularity, and as such can be easily updated to even snapshots. This means that yourself and end users don't have to wait months for an update. In order to create a mod with Fabric, we need to create a development environment. To do this, head over to Fabric's GitHub page and download Fabric Example Mod. Move the downloader zip to wherever you want. Make sure to extract the zip and rename it to your mod name. This is where all of your modding files will be. You can delete the license and readme.md files, as these are only for the Fabric GitHub. If you want, you can add your own later. First, we need to set up Gradle. You can view Gradle as the thing that manages the majority of your development tools, such as running a test client, adding dependencies, and ultimately building your mod. Open Gradle.properties with a text editor of your choice. I'll be using Notepad++. In the file, we're going to need to change a few values. First, change mod_version to the version you want for your mod. I'm going to keep it a 1.0.0. Next, set maven_group to the path to your mod class. For your first project, I would recommend me.yourname.modid. Note that this cannot contain dashes, so let's put me.andante.tutorialmod. Where this is used will be apparent later on. Finally, set archives_base_name to what you want your built mod jar to be prefixed with. This is generally your mod ID, so I'm going to set it to tutorial-mod. Next, we're going to need to change a few folders to respect the maven_group we set earlier. This is me.yourname.modid. In your folder now called modid, you can delete the mixin folder as we won't be using it now. Then, rename examplemod.java to your mod name, with no spaces and a capital letter for each word. Open this file and change the following. Change package to me.yourname.modid, and change examplemod to match the file name. Now, track back to the main folder and go to Resources, Assets, and rename modid to your mod ID. Then, go back to Resources and open fabric.mod.json. We're going to change a lot here. First, change the ID field to your mod ID. Version refers to our Gradle.properties version value, so that can stay the same. Next, we need to change name. This is the user-friendly name of your mod. Let's set it to tutorial-mod. The description field is just one or two short sentences to describe your mod. This is used by mods like Mod Menu to display more info on your mod. Now, set the authors to whatever you want. This is an array, so you can add more authors like so. The contact field provides links to the mod's website and source code. If you don't have those yet, leave them as they are. If you have a license, write this in the license field. A list of licenses and their IDs can be found in the description. Next, we should set a mod icon. The example mod comes with a default mod icon. Let's just leave it at that. However, we should rename the mod ID folder to our mod ID. The next thing to do is change the entry points. This tells Fabric where your main mod classes are. Let's set this the path to tutorialmod.java, similar to maven_group in our Gradle.properties. Like before, we can delete the mixins as we're not using those right now. Great, our mod base is now set up. To code, you'll need an IDE. There are many great choices such as Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, and Eclipse. For these tutorials, I'm going to be using IntelliJ. I might do a setup tutorial in VS Code later, as the setup requires a few more steps. Once you have your IDE installed, go back to your mod folder. Right-click and select Open as IntelliJ Project. Before we do anything, you have to wait for the mod to automatically set itself up. You can see this by going down here to Build. After that's done, click on Minecraft Client at the top right, Edit Configurations. We'll need to change a few values. Click on the Application field, go to Minecraft Server, and change Use Class Path of Module to Main. Then go to Minecraft Client, do the same thing, and add --username space dev to the program arguments to set your Minecraft username. Then press OK. That's everything done. You can now go up to the top right and press the debug icon to launch the game and test your mod. That's all for now. If you want to see more modding tutorials, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell. I'm a beginner myself, so if you encounter any problems you can message me on Discord, and I'll probably recall making that mistake myself. Anyways, I've been Andante, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!